Here's how to make a bandana face mask. All you need is a bandana and 2 hair bands. Start by unfolding the bandana so it's just in half. From there, fold it roughly into thirds. Next, take your hair bands and loop them around each end, pulling the excess towards the center. You should have just enough fabric to cover the lower half of your face. Now it's ready to wear. Just wrap the hair bands around your ears. We're excited to release some new bandanas on papersource.com by Bandits Bandanas. I love the way these come packaged. When you flip them over, you can learn that they're organic and handmade, who the artist is, and what their give back program is. They come bundled up and tied in a bow, and when you unwrap them, you get a free bonus sticker, and of course, the gorgeous designs. This one is one of my favorites. Wait for it.